Hello everyone, thank you joining me today. In this video I continue my 5-part mini-series named One Sketch, 2 Cards. This is the third part. Today I choose an Operation Write Home sketch number 183. For the female card I chose a peachy pinky base, some peach cardstock which was made dotty with embossing folder, and the beautiful ink marble paper from Craft Consortium. In this quick flip through you can see that this paper pad has a wide range of colors. All of them is vivid, some paper even had a goldish shade here and there. For sticking, I use double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive. I'm following the sketch very closely. As a finishing touch, I put some sequins on the right side of the card. Here is my finished female card. For the male card, I used some brown cardstock, wooden paper, and I used pattern paper from the Stamperia paper pad called Around the World. In my next video I will use this paper pad again, and in that video I will make a flip through just to show you how gorgeous papers they designed in that paper pad. I used the same materials for sticking, double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive. As a finishing touch, I cut out little circles with the smallest circle die. my finished mail card. Thank you for joining. I hope you find this video useful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time in part 4. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.